Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will see how can we easily download and install Git on Windows 10. So it's very easy. Git is basically a free and open source distributed version control software. Git it is basically designed to handle small and large projects which you can create quickly and handle it efficiently. So let's see how can we install it. Go to the browser and here type git and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, git-scm.com. Click on it. After clicking on it, you can see the latest version is visible and it is written download for Windows. Click on it, or I will drop the link in the description box. You can click and the website is open. After clicking, now some versions are visible for you. Here is the standalone installer, 32-bit Git for Windows and 64-bit for Windows. I click 64-bit for Windows because my system is 64-bit. If you also want to check, go to the start and type about. Click open and about your PC, and here you see 64-bit operating system. So from here you can check. Now I will click 64-bit for Windows setup and download. It's only 65 MB. Let's wait for few seconds. So guys, we have successfully downloaded the exe file. Double click on it to install. Minimize this now. Now the setup is started. Click on next. It will get installed on program files. If you want to change the location, click on browse, but I keep the same. It will only take 339 MB. Click on next. Keep it default. Click on next. Start menu from keep it same. Next. Choose the default text editor. You can select from here, but I will keep the default and click on next. Adjusting the name, it will be master, which is fine for default. Click on next. This also you can keep on next. It is recommended. Use bundled open SSH. SSH is secure shell, or you can say secure socket shell. Click on next. Click on next again. Check out Windows style commit, Unix style line editing. Keep the same. Click on next. Choose the default terminal, which is fine. Click on next. Keep the default again and click on next again. Next. Next. Keep the same. Do not check anything. Click on install. Now we have successfully downloaded it. Click on finish. We have installed it. Go to start, type cmd, click on open to open the command prompt, and here I will type git and press enter, and now you can see git started. If the following is visible, that means you have successfully installed it. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Git on Windows 10. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. And if you have any question, ask me in the comment section and share it with your friends.